Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today, I'm going to show you how to empty your trash instantly on Mac. No waiting or extra clicks. Let's get right into it. But before doing it, I'm requesting you to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this. Thank you. This is like a bin icon. Just normally right click on it. And here you will see two options, open and empty trash. From the menu that appears, click on Empty Trash. And then a confirmation pop-up will show up asking if you want to permanently delete the items. Just click on this Empty Trash again to confirm. And that's it. Your trash has been cleaned instantly. But if you want to skip this confirmation, for example, I'm gonna delete a file again. I'm choosing this one and just deleting it by selecting Move to Trash. And now I want to skip the confirmation window. Just right click on it again and hold the Option button on your keyboard. And then click on this Empty Trash by holding down the Option button. And now you can see that there is no pop-up window whenever you are cleaning your trash. That's how you empty your trash instantly on Mac. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Mr. Techfox for more helpful Mac tips. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum.